Oki, and welcome to Illuminate. I am Andy Roberts, and your teaching and learning news starts off with the Spark Teaching Symposium. Known for its commitment to igniting creativity and excellence in teaching and learning, Spark invites faculty, staff, and graduate students to submit their proposals. The deadline for submissions is March 1st, and the symposium itself is scheduled to take place on April 24th and 25th. This year's symposium promises to be a beacon of inspiration and a catalyst for the future of teaching. In an initiative to enhance teaching practices, the University of Lethbridge's Talking About Teaching is meant to serve as a dynamic platform for educators to engage in meaningful discussions, share insights, and collectively explore various approaches to pedagogy. On February 29th, the 2023 Excellence in Teaching Award recipient Dr. Devin Smither, along with Dr. Jason Lorando, will host the first Talking About Teaching in 2024 about ungrading and labor-based grading. In a united effort to highlight the significance of collaborative practices and knowledge sharing in academia, the University of Lethbridge is hosting its Doors Open program this month. Faculty members will open their classroom doors, inviting fellow educators to witness firsthand the diverse and effective teaching methods employed across various disciplines. We look forward to seeing you at these events. If you have any questions about these or other Teaching Center and Agility events, please contact the Teaching Center. See you next time.